Hey guys, Ethanator here, and I'm going to be showing you today how to bind the brand new OMPHOBBY M2 up to a Spektrum radio. The bind process is really simple. All you're going to really need is just an external Spektrum receiver, your DSMX satellite just for your M2 Heli, and then obviously a battery. So the first thing you want to do is go into your system setup. Obviously you want to set it like a normal helicopter, you know, it's a collective pitch helicopter. Going down to the channel assign, go into the channel input configuration, make sure your channel 5, the channel is set to B, which is going to be your stunt mode, and this is also going to change the flight mode from stabilization like auto level to a 3D flight as you increase. So you can go ahead and turn off your radio. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have an external receiver that's not part of the helicopter. You just want a basic receiver that you can go ahead and hook up, and you'll actually be hooking up your satellite that's on your helicopter to this receiver. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in like so. Make sure my bind plug is in. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Notice that it's in bind mode. The satellite's flashing. It's not connected to the unit on the helicopter at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bind it to this model.
Binding. DSMX 11
All right. So that's good. Satellite is solid. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and unplug this battery like so. Now that this satellite is bound up to this model on the radio, I can go ahead and plug it into the unit like so. And now, whenever I turn my radio back on and I take the main flight battery for the M2, I'll go ahead and hook it up. Give it a second. There we go. And you can see that the satellite is now paired to this model. So yeah, everything is good, set up, and ready to go. You can see the light changing on the stunt mode. Flashing means it's in stunt. Solid's going to be auto level. So yeah, hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.